Beach day.
I hate everyone. I'm joking.
North Korea. Mamar, you saw Baghdad. You died like a dog.
Where's the Eiffel Tower have?
360. 60? It's the Eiffel Tower. It goes do. Not like do.
I thought you meant like stories, like I was all of.
No, you're done.
Country produces the most money.
Britain.
Kenya.
Colombia.
China.
Weird. We're done. Heck you with this. Give me my hat. Do you want to know what this feels like? It's in your skull. It's in your skull. We have 5. 1.
I don't have it.
2. 3. No flash photography. Loser. Showtime, folks. How you doing, Kyle?
I was too short to get in the back.
Yeah. How are you not sweating in that? That seems hot for you. Okay.
Ice cream parlor right now to get
Coffee
coffee and ice cream.
But you gotta realize that she's
Come along.
Alright, me and Abby are here. We are so fun today.
Oh, it's a sled.
It's a sleigh day. Look at everybody.
Come around. Oh my god, that's so cool.
Oh, wow.
Made it to the senior video. YouTube.
If you gave me a chance, I would take it. It's a shot in the dark, but I'll make it. When I am with you, there's no place I'd rather be.
No.
No place I'd rather be. When? I don't know. Am I triggered? Don't wake up.
You want to study at 10? My phone's still down. Bye, Christina.
Beach day 2024.